Yo guys, this is Madin Kazi. Today I'm going to show you some light painting photography ideas that you can try at your home. So let's get started. So guys, in this light painting photography portraits that we are going to create, we are going to use two steps in every photo. First is illuminating our subject. So we don't have those big lights, studio lights, so we are going to either use our mobile flashes or some portable lights. Now second step is light painting around your subject. Let's say you have put the shutter speed around for 4 seconds, so you will illuminate your subject for 1 second and then light paint around your subject for 3 seconds. So first idea for light painting portraits in your home is your mobile flash. So you can use it in so many ways. Now if you want some color lighting, you can use gels for getting those blue lights, orange light, pink light. You can create some dope portraits with those two. Now second idea is using your mobile screen. So for using this technique, you will need two mobile phones, first with a flash so that you can illuminate your subject properly, then second mobile for using your screen to create different light painting shapes, or you can say light trails. So you can do that by downloading some colored images, or you can use Instagram story. That is like number one hack for light painting portraits using your mobile screen. So turn up your brightness level to 100%, then go to the Instagram story, open your Instagram story, take some image. Now take a pen tool, or you can say paint tool. Now take one color and tap and hold that color for a little bit of time, and the whole screen will become of that color. So you can use that color to light paint, or you can choose black color as your background color in that, like choosing a black color and then tapping and holding for a little bit of time, and it will turn the whole screen towards the black. Now take some different colors and make some round shapes, square shapes, whatever you want, and you can create some dope portraits like this. You can use fairy lights for creating light painting portraits. You can use fairy lights in so many ways. You can leave them from up, you can move around your subject, or you can take directly towards the camera, so that you can get some different results while doing this light painting portraits with fairy lights. So hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'm working so much hard on this channel and I want this channel to grow as much as fast as possible. So see you in the next video. Okay, peace.